Chapter 4 Altitudes and Medians of Triangle, Practice Set 4.1. Question 2. Draw an acute angle triangle PQR. Draw all of its altitudes and name the point of concurrence as point O. So in this triangle we have to draw altitudes. Let us start. First we will construct an acute angle triangle PQR. Of any measurement you can construct an acute angle triangle PQR. This is the base we have drawn. So this is the triangle PQR we have constructed. P, this point is Q and this point is R. You can construct triangle PQR. Now what is altitude? Altitude means from this vertex a perpendicular on the opposite side. So from this P we have to draw perpendicular on this opposite side QR. See how we do that. Take the rounder, keep it on point P, from P, and then from this point P on the base. On the base you are going to cut two arcs. You can see that two arcs must get cut on the base. So this is 1, you can see that, and this is 2. Okay, I repeat, from P you cut two arcs on the opposite side. Do that. Now keep the rounder on the base, the arcs which you have cut, keep it on the first arc on the base. Extend this distance, take more than half distance now, and now you cut the arc below the base from this right side arc and from the left side arc. You can see that. And now from this P on this opposite side we draw the perpendicular, draw this line. You can see this is marked here perpendicular sign. Okay, so this is point M. So this PM is perpendicular to QR. This is the first altitude. Now we'll go for the second altitude. From this point Q on this opposite side PR, we have to draw the altitude. Take the rounder, keep it on point Q, and on this opposite side you are going to cut two arcs. Okay, you are going to cut two arcs on the opposite side. You can take proper distance for that. This is one arc here and the second arc, you can see. And now keep it on this arc which you have cut and take more than half distance you can take, and from there you cut the arcs. You can see that. And now from this point Q we draw the perpendicular on the opposite side. So here we draw this perpendicular sign, then this has point as a N. Now we go for the third perpendicular from this point R on this opposite side. Okay, so let us start now. So on this opposite side on the base you have to cut two arcs. Take proper distance for that. You can see that. And now from these two arcs which you have drawn on PQ, take more than half distance and cut the arc. Okay, and draw the perpendicular from R. where this is the perpendicular here. Say this point, name it say point X. Students, you can see that all three perpendiculars from Q, from P and from R, that is all three altitudes, you can see they meet at this point. This is the point of concurrence, name it as point O. Okay, and this point O is the orthocenter. Point O, right? That is orthocenter. So for this triangle PQR, we have constructed all three altitudes and we got this point O, which is the orthocenter. Okay students, you can do that.